Collecting like terms. This is the topic of today. Let's start with question number 1. M plus M plus M plus M plus M. Okay, let's solve it. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All are M. All are like terms. You can add them. You can subtract them. All are like. Okay, so we are going to add. How many M's are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So answer is 5M. 5M. This is the answer for this. What about next? Simplify. A plus A minus A plus A minus A plus A. Let's try to write over here. A plus A minus A plus A minus A plus A. They all are like terms because all are A's, right? So you can add them and you can subtract them. So you can start from the beginning, A plus A, or you can do from the middle also. A plus A will give you 2A, right? A plus A will give you 2A. You can cancel minus A and plus A. Same terms with opposite signs can be cancelled. Minus A plus A will give you 0, right? And again, minus A plus A can be cancelled. So you can get 0, minus A plus A for this term, and 0 for the last two terms, right? I'm repeating, minus A plus A can be cancelled. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, it's nothing. So 2A will be the answer for this question. Next question is 4D minus D plus 7D minus 10D. Let's solve it. 4D minus 5D plus 7D minus 10D. They are like because one variable has been used, D, 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 and D throughout. So one variable is used for the full sum, full question. It means they are like terms. Step number 2. 4D minus 5D. These two, I'm solving first. 4D minus 5D will give you minus D. Why minus D is there? Because when the two expressions, one is having plus sign, this is having plus sign, another is having minus sign, then you have to do subtraction. 4 minus 5 or 5 minus 4 will give you 1D. Only D means 1D. And sign of the bigger integer will come. What is the bigger integer? 4 or 5? 5 is bigger. 5 is having negative sign, so minus sign is coming in the end. Continuing, plus 7D minus 10D. Now we will solve minus D plus 7D. These two, minus D plus 7D. So minus 1D plus 7D will give you plus 6D. Why plus sign is there in the answer? Because 7 is the bigger integer and 7 is having plus sign. So 7 plus will come in the answer, plus 6D. Further, minus 10D. Plus 6 minus 10. Again, two integers are having opposite signs. So you have to do subtraction. What is 10 minus 6? 10 minus 6 is 4. Which sign should come with 4D? Minus sign should come. Why minus sign should come? Because 10 is the bigger integer and always the sign of the bigger integer is there in the answer. So this is your answer, minus 4D. Next, this question. 3h minus 12h plus 8h minus 9h. They are like terms. All are having the same variable h, so they all are like. Let's start solving. 3h minus 12h. The two integers are having different signs. One is having plus, one is having minus. So you have to do subtraction. What is 12 minus 3? 12 minus 3 is 9. Why minus is coming in the answer? Because bigger integer is 12 and 12 is having minus sign. So minus 9h is the answer. Continue. Plus 8h minus 9h. Minus 9h minus 9h. You can add them first or you can solve like this, minus 9h plus 8h. Minus 9h plus 8h. One integer is having minus sign, another integer is having plus sign, so you have to do subtraction. When you subtract, you will get 1h. Minus 1h. Why minus? Because 9 is having minus sign and 9 is the bigger integer, so you will write minus 1h or only minus h. Then minus 9h. What is the integer rule? Both the integers are having negative sign. This is also negative, this is also negative, so you have to add them. Remember the integer rules. When both integers are having negative sign, you have to add them, plus them. What is the addition? Minus 1 minus 9 will give you minus 10h. Right? And minus 10h, minus should come in the answer. Both the integers are having negative sign, add them, and put the same sign in the answer, minus 10h. Next question is, seven c plus 5c minus 2c plus 8c minus c. Let's solve it. All are like terms. What is the topic? Collecting like terms. They all are like, same variable, all are like terms. 7c plus 5c will give you 12c. 12c minus 2c plus 8c minus c. What is 12c minus 2c? 10c plus 10c. Because 12 is having plus sign, so plus should come in the answer. 10c plus 8c minus c. What is 10c plus 8c? 18c. What is 18c minus c? Minus 1c. C means 1c. It is 17c. Why plus is there in the answer? Because 18 is the bigger integer. 18 is having plus sign. So plus is there in the answer. This is the answer for this question. Next question is 8x minus 6x plus 2x minus 10x. We will solve the first two. 8x minus 6x will give you 2x. Now, the remaining terms, 2x and 10x. Now you can add 2x and 2x. It is 4x. Now 4x minus 10x will give you minus 6x. Why minus 6x? Because one integer is having plus sign. This one, another is having minus sign. What is the integer rule? When plus and minus is there, you have to subtract. What is 10 minus 4? It is 6. Why minus is there in the answer? Because minus is there in the answer because the bigger integer is 10 and 10 is having negative sign, right? 10 is having negative sign, so minus 6x is the answer for this question. Next is a minus a plus a minus a minus a minus a plus a. Solve it. So many a's are there. They all are like. Plus A, minus A, minus A, minus A, and plus A. Let's try to see how many A's can be cancelled. Right? Minus A and plus A, you can cancel. Minus A and plus A, cancel them. It means you got 0. What are the remaining? How many A's are remaining? It's A, minus A, and minus A. Again, plus A and minus A can be cancelled because this is plus A. Okay, you can cancel. Plus A and minus A. What is remaining? Minus A is remaining, so this is the answer for this question. Next question is, this one, 100s minus 200s plus 300s. They all are like terms because one variable s is throughout. You can add them, you can subtract them. Let's start. 100s minus 200s. These are the first two terms. Plus 100s minus 200s. You have to subtract them. Why? Because one integer is plus, another integer is minus. Subtract them, but sign should be there for the bigger number. What is the bigger number? 200. 200 is having minus sign. And 200 minus 100 is 100s. Right? Now continue because one variable is left. One term is left. 300s. One integer is having minus sign, another integer is having plus sign, so you have to subtract them. What is 300 minus 100? It is 200. 200s. S should be there. And with the plus sign. Why plus sign? Because sign of the bigger integer will come and bigger integer is 300. 300 is having plus sign, so plus is there in the answer. 200s. Next. 7AC plus 2AC minus 8AC plus AC. Let's solve it. 7AC plus 2AC. These are the first two terms. Will give you 9. 9AC. Continuing further, minus 8AC plus AC. Now next two terms are 9AC and 8AC. Will give you plus 1AC or only AC because 9 minus 8 is 1. You can write 1 or you can ignore 1. Only AC. AC plus AC. 1AC plus 1AC. Add them, it will be 2AC. This is the answer for this. Next, this one. Minus 1000 AD plus 4000 AD. AD and AD. It can be DA also. Okay, these are like. Like terms can be added, like terms can be subtracted. So we can subtract them because one integer is having minus sign, 1000, and another integer, 4000, is having plus sign, so you can subtract them. But sign of the bigger integer will come, right? Minus 1000 AD plus 4000 AD. These are like. Okay, one integer is having minus sign, another integer is having 4000 is having plus sign, so you have to subtract them. What is 4000 minus 1000? It will be 1000, 3000, right? Why plus sign is there in the answer? Plus 3000 AD. Why plus sign is there? Because sign of the bigger integer should come in the answer, and 4000 is the bigger integer, so plus is there. 4000 is having plus sign, so plus is there. Plus 3000 AD is the answer. Next question is minus 500 DF plus 500 FD. Minus 500 DF minus 599 FD. right? Let's try to solve it. These two terms we will solve first. Minus 500, they all are like. Whether it is DF or whether it is FD, they are like terms. Don't get confused. Maybe they are unlike. No, they all are like FD and DF. DF is equal to FD. They are like. So let's solve the first two terms together. Minus 500 plus 500 FD. They will be cancelled, right? They will be cancelled. Minus 500 DF plus 500 FD. The terms are cancelled. Now the last two terms we will solve. Minus 500 DF minus 599 FD. FD and DF, they are like terms, so they both are minus. If the two integers are having negative sign, so you have to add them, right? 500 plus 599. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9, right? And 5 will give you 10. 1099. And minus sign should come in the answer. Why minus sign is there? Because both the integers are having negative sign. Try to remember the rule. This is also negative. This is also negative. So negative is there in the answer. You have to plus them. Minus and minus. What is the addition required or subtraction required? Addition is required. Plus them and put the same sign. Same sign means minus sign. FD or DF, you can write anything. DF or FD. This is the answer for this, 1099 DF. Next question is, it's written on the screen, this one, minus 800 ST plus 1000 TS. Remember, ST and TS, they are like. Okay, whether S is written first or whether T is written first, ST and TS, they are like terms. So let's try to solve it. Minus 800 ST plus 1000 TS or ST, you can write anything. You have to subtract them. Why are we subtracting? Because one integer is having negative sign. Try to remember the rule. One integer is having negative sign, another integer is having plus sign. So you have to subtract them. What is 1000 minus 800? 1000 minus 800 is 200. Why plus sign is there in the answer? Because 1000 is the bigger integer and 1000 is having plus sign. So that is why plus sign is there in the answer. You can write ST or you can write TS, anything. This is the answer for this question. Thank you so much for attending this session.